Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the Cinevate slider, Duzi 4. Today we're going to be talking about the Cinevate Duzi 4 slider. Today I want to go through how to replace the brakes. Cinevate actually sent me this nice little package. They said it was supposed to come with the slider. I didn't actually get it, but they were really nice and they sent me this. I asked them, I was like, hey, your brake system, like it holds if there's no weight on the carriage. But the moment you add weight, like you can see like very little effort to move this. And so they told me it's because your brakes are bad. So today I'm gonna take you through how to switch out the brakes. So let's jump into it. If you don't know, the brake system is just this little thing and it lets it go. And it's nice and smooth because of the flywheel. But as you can tell, with very little effort, it slides, especially when pushing it this way, because you can see it just like the brake tweaks off right there. So to replace the brake, first things first is remove the flywheel. It's real easy, just has a little screw. Okay. Next step is to remove this little rubber band. That's just very carefully pulls that off. This is our brake right there. And from what they told me on Cinevate, when I contacted support, is you need to replace these little pads. All right, so then to replace that, you have to unscrew the brake. Okay, once you get down to the last screw, you're gonna wanna have a finger underneath to hold the brake in place as you unscrew it. Okay, and then flip it over, and the brake should pop out, like so. So you can look, you can actually see a pretty good divot actually in this brake. So definitely is worn. Oh man, that's tough. I got it. Woohoo! That brake wore out really fast. All right, so then once you get those off on either side, there and there, then you take these new brakes and you carefully, okay, don't drop it. Just slide it in. Make sure it's tight in there. That's good. Here's the other one. Little brake pads. You gotta replace your brake pads like on your car. All right, there we go. So you can see it's back in either side. Sliding back in. So hold your finger on it. Let's back over. So I like to do the two opposite corners of each other. Let's see how it does. So then, real simple. Place that. Throw the flywheel back on. Yeah, that's a lot tighter. I can feel it already. Loosen it. No issues. Awesome. So yeah, that's how you replace the brake on the Duzi 4. I have a full-on review of this new slider that I bought. I bought it because it can hold more weight. It's much more sturdy. And I also find that it doesn't lean as much. But you can check out that review and be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos. Thanks everybody. Free flywheel.